Are you tired of trading your time and effort for money? Do you dream of having more control over your time and financial freedom? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore 5 effective ways to generate passive income. But first, let's define what passive income is and why it's essential for creating a life of financial security, freedom, and flexibility. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Passive income is a type of income that is earned without the need for active involvement or constant effort from the recipient. It typically involves generating revenue through investments, business ventures, or other income streams that do not require ongoing work or active participation. Unlike active income, which requires regular time and effort to earn, passive income allows individuals to earn money without continuously working for it. This can provide a sense of financial security, flexibility, and freedom, as individuals can use their time to pursue other activities or endeavors while still earning money. Now, let's look at 5 ways to generate passive income. 1. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can be a great source of passive income if done correctly. You can generate rental income from tenants without actively working for it. However, owning rental properties also comes with its own set of challenges. For example, finding the right tenants, managing repairs and maintenance, and dealing with vacancies are some of the challenges you may face as a landlord. Additionally, you will need to ensure that you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations related to rental properties in your area. One of the keys to success in owning rental properties is to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making a purchase. You should evaluate the property's location, condition, and potential rental income to ensure that it's a good investment. You may also want to consider hiring a property management company to help you with the day-to-day management of the property. A property management company can handle tasks like collecting rent, screening tenants, and coordinating repairs, which can help reduce your workload and stress as a landlord. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to generate passive income. When you invest in a dividend-paying stock, you earn a portion of the company's profits in the form of regular dividend payments. The amount of the dividend payment depends on the stock's dividend yield, which is expressed as a percentage of the stock price. Dividend yields can vary widely depending on the company and industry, but some stocks offer yields of 2 to 4% or more. One of the benefits of investing in dividend stocks is that it allows you to generate income without having to sell your shares. As long as the company continues to pay dividends, you can receive a steady stream of income without having to sell your stock. Additionally, many companies have a long history of increasing their dividend payments over time, which can provide a hedge against inflation and potentially increase your income in the future. However, it's important to note that investing in dividend stocks comes with risks. The stock market can be volatile, and the value of your investment can fluctuate based on market conditions. Additionally, not all companies pay dividends, and those that do may cut or suspend their dividends if they experience financial difficulties. As with any investment, it's important to conduct thorough research and diversify your portfolio to minimize your risk. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending is a relatively new form of investing that allows you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, bypassing traditional financial institutions. P2P lending platforms connect borrowers with investors, allowing borrowers to access loans at potentially lower interest rates and investors to earn a return on their investment through interest payments. P2P lending can be a good way to generate passive income, as you can earn interest on your investment without actively managing it. However, there are risks involved. Unlike with traditional bank deposits, P2P lending is not insured by the government, so there is a risk of losing some or all of your investment if a borrower defaults on their loan. Additionally, P2P lending platforms may charge fees, which can eat into your returns. To minimize your risk, it's important to diversify your P2P lending portfolio by investing in multiple loans with different borrowers and loan grades. You should also conduct thorough research on the borrower and platform before investing, including reviewing their creditworthiness and the platform's track record. P2P lending can be a great way to generate passive income, but it's important to do your due diligence and invest wisely. 4. Digital products. So, what are digital products? Well, They can be anything from ebooks to online courses or even software. Once you create and launch your digital product, you can sell it over and over again with minimal effort or cost. There are different types of digital products you can create, depending on your skills and interests. For example, if you're good at writing, you can write and self-publish an ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or through your own website or blog. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell an online course teaching others your skills. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to create and sell online courses, and you can also market your course through your own website or blog. Creating and selling software, such as mobile apps or web-based tools, can also be highly profitable, but it can be more complex and time-consuming than creating ebooks or courses. To create a successful digital product, it's essential to focus on creating high-quality content that meets the needs of your target audience. You'll also need to invest in marketing and promotion to get your product in front of potential customers. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales that result from your promotions. This can be an effective way to generate passive income if you have a large following or audience that is interested in the products you are promoting. However, building a significant audience and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche can take time and effort. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can sign up for affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche or audience. Many companies and online marketplaces, such as Amazon and ClickBank, offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission on sales of their products. Once you have joined an affiliate program, you can start promoting the products to your audience through your website, blog, social media channels, or other marketing channels. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products that are relevant to your audience and that you believe in and can genuinely recommend. One of the advantages of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, so you can start earning commissions right away. However, it's important to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience to maintain transparency and build trust. Another important aspect of affiliate marketing is tracking your results and optimizing your promotions for maximum conversions. You can use tools like Google Analytics or affiliate marketing software to track clicks, conversions, and earnings from your promotions, and make adjustments as needed to improve your results. Overall, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you have a strong following and a deep understanding of your audience's needs and interests. By exploring these 5 ways to generate passive income, you can begin to diversify your income streams and create greater financial stability and independence. Thank you for watching this video on the 5 ways to make passive income. We hope you found it informative and helpful in exploring different opportunities to generate passive income. Remember, creating passive income streams requires some initial investment and effort, but the benefits can be tremendous, providing you with financial freedom, flexibility, and the ability to pursue your passions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and self-development. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below, and we'll be happy to respond. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.